Huwag mong pakawalan ng isang practice up until nagbago yung pananaw mo sa isang bagay. Nagkaroon ng konting win, konting result, bumalik sa original. And that's where discipline comes in. Why? Ano daw mas importante? Is it motivation or discipline? Both are important. However, alam naman natin once the excitement, once the fun, once the joy wears off, it's not permanent. Just like anything else, discipline comes in. And the way I see it, people who's making it in life, in all aspects, whether it's health, it's relationship, it's money, as long as they have the awareness that they know how to go about it, the implementation, and not letting go up until it becomes a habit, up until it becomes a lifestyle, up until it becomes who they are, who they have become. Then that's where transformation comes in. Again, when I say transformation, it's really taking a look at one, having a new mental memory, having a new emotional memory, having a new physical memory. Na a lot of our mental, emotional, and physical memory is about I'm not capable, hindi ko kaya. Then when you are aware and you want something, you put yourself into a test every day. Huwag mong pakawalan ng isang practice up until nagbago yung pananaw mo sa isang bagay. Right? He was asking me, measuring the food, is it sustainable or not? Of course, kung wala akong discipline, hindi talaga sustainable. Ang tao kasi, nagkaroon ng konting win, konting result, bumalik sa original. And that's where discipline comes in. Why? When you start taking a look at on creating a new self-image, bagong pananaw, it starts with my mental memory. Kaya ko to. Capable ako. And what you do every day is you test yourself out and then you feel good. So it's a new emotional memory. Okay, kaya ko. Kaya ko. But 55% body, you must push it in a way na hahanap-hanapin na ng katawan mo. Yung practice na hindi mo nakasanayan na nasanayan mo lang. Example, brushing of teeth. Right? Ikaw ba dyan, nagbabrush ka ng teeth dahil trip mo lang or talagang it's a way of life already?
Way of life.
Just in case lang may emergency, nagkabiglaan, lumabas ka ng bahay, hindi ka nakapagsipilyo, anong feeling mo?
Nahiya.
Nahiya. Tapos pagdating mo sa dapat mong puntahan, ano mo nang iisipin?
Ano? Hinihinga ko ba?
Okay, maghahanap ka ng toothbrush, hahanapan mo ng paraan. Kasi nakasanayan mo. But what if growth mindset is something that is already embedded in your life? Will you still have, mag-growth mindset ba ako? Hindi na.
Growth mindset.
What if clear heart set is already part of your life that you cannot operate with heavy heart, except you just forgive and let go every day, no matter what. It's a way of life. Health set. How does that feel like that, working out is already part of your life na parang meal lang siya na kailangan mong gawin?
Sobrang confident kasi may kumpiyansa ako na kapag tumayo ako, I feel good kasi may ginawa ko.
Yeah, it's a body memory. Kaya, discipline is really not letting go, not unless it becomes a lifestyle, not unless it becomes a habit na hindi mo na pwedeng pakawalan, parang pagsisipilyo at maybe taking a shower day in, day out. Did that make sense?
Yes.
And that is something that you want to start to really create, specifically in terms of money. Okay? A lot of us are just excited to do something because may incentive. Why not just create something as a discipline, whether there's incentive or not, you do it anyway, simply because it's a way of life. This is who you have become. And to answer to that, it's really taking a look at on when the motivation wears off. It's not every day is exciting. There will always be storm. There will always be rain. That's where the discipline kicks in. And ako, invitation ko sa inyo, if you want to create, you want to win in life. Ako, ini-imagine ko lang that I want to participate in the Olympic game called life. I'll invest heavily in taking care of myself because that is the only solution. I'm guaranteed. I want to live until 100 and I'm healthy and fit. That I have the most loving relationship around me. I will always have people to support and supporting me because I'm taking care of my relationship, money is not an issue. In fact, I'm more excited the older I get, the more money is running after me because I know that it's my business set, it's my career set, it's my leadership set, and it's my growth mindset that will bring in the money that I want, that will run after me, not run after money. But the most important part for me is I'm well guided by my God, my Creator, through my spiritual connection that I do on a day-to-day basis.